In what can only be called a case of good timing, attorney David Boies was already scheduled to speak here on what turned out to be the day after his victory overturning California's same-sex marriage ban. What would have already been a large crowd turned into a completely packed house that gave Boies a standing ovation.
Thank all of you very much. Yesterday, the system worked. I think we took an enormous step, not the last step, not even the next to last step, but an important first step in eliminating this last bastion of official state-sponsored discrimination in this country. People are being harmed by this discrimination, and nobody is benefiting. The defendant's own chosen experts admitted that they had no evidence. And so there simply is not a legitimate argument in favor of continuing this discrimination. The other side doesn't have any precedent, doesn't have any facts, doesn't really have any experts. They've got a bumper sticker.
What can they do on appeal to try to gain back the ground they lost in federal court?
I don't think they can.
Although some have held that this case could take 2 years to make it to the U.S. Supreme Court, Boies says he has a different opinion. Because it involves what one judge sees as a fundamental right, the appellate judges could speed up the process, meaning the Supreme Court could decide whether to hear this case by this time next year. In San Francisco, Jonathan Bloom, KRON 4 News.